In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a free SEO specialist working on your site when you're not even at your desktop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Google search and you want to type in Google the Claude extension, just like this. And here you're going to search for the Claude Chrome Web Store extension. As you can see, I have already installed it, but please proceed by installing the app, then verifying your account. And then what will happen, if you don't see it up here, you will see this little extension button right here, and then you're able to select Claude. Alright, so then it will pop up right here, and I pin it, so it shows here, and I want to have it at the first position, so I'm just going to drag it in here. Yes. So now I'm going to head into my YouTube tutorial WordPress website. You can do this for whatever website you want. So I'm going to head into the WP admin, just like that. And I'm going to log in, just a moment. So after logging in, you'll just see your WordPress screen. That's pretty straightforward. But I'm going to press the Claude extension. So what I want to do is I'm going to select Act without asking, but do this on your own accord, of course. So don't do it on your own risk. That's my disclaimer. And what I'm going to ask you right now is I want to do a thorough review of my blogs on my website and see where I can improve upon. And this is the magic. So look, it goes in the co-working tab and you'll see a little pop-up, and it's amazing. You can see my hands, I'm not even doing a thing. My mouse isn't moving. So what it does now is extracts page text, it's viewing all published posts, it's just going to take a look at it, and it's just going to, this is literally amazing. And these are here, you can see it open another tab up here. You can see it, and it's checking it, and it's just working. So for example, what you can do is you can, for example, give also your Google Search Console data. Just a moment, I'm going to open up my Undi's Google Search Console. I'm just going to walk you through the possibilities that you can have with this extension. Perfect. While I was opening up the Undi Search Console, I'll see this whole Sonnet 4.6 is now done. Homepage full post contains excerpts, homepage, navigation menu, blah blah blah, blah. Hello world is default. It's readable and it's good flow, however it ends with the note published as a test post via WordPress API. This is a really short narrative, which is alright, so it gives you a priority action list. Alright, so I'm going to do the following: implement the list, just like that. In the meantime, I'm going to head over to my Google Search Console. And as you can see here, I've opened my Google Search Console and I've opened up the Claude extension as well. I'm going to do one more thing, and it is opening up my Shopify. Alright, so I've opened up my Shopify content in here. I'm going to ask you the following: please do a review of my whole SEO. Give me a good audit on everything I need to improve based upon the Search Console data. What are pages that I can easily hit position 1 for? Where do I need more improvement? I have also opened up Shopify in another tab. You can access that as well. Just gonna give it a Shopify link, and I'm gonna send it. I'm just gonna wait for the results, and it just starts working. And if you've ever done this manually by yourself, you know how much time this can cost by going through every single item, every single keyword, seeing where you can improve upon, what words are you what keywords are you missing. You don't want to have the cannibalization, you don't want to have the keyword stuffing, and it's just a hassle. Not really a hassle, that's just a grind, that's just the work that you need to do. So but with these tools you're able to outsource a lot of it. Of course, I'm still a big believer of you need to have some manual insights on the work. So you need to check, hey, is this is the thing that he's doing correct? That's what I still would advise you on what to do and what you need to do. But yeah, you can outsource a lot of the work that you usually do manually just by using these Claude extensions. And I'm just gonna wait until it's done, and then I'm going to show you the power of it and what I will do with the information and data after it. Alright, so this is actually amazing, and I've really found a problem that was because I made the Uni's website by myself. I literally didn't even know this, but my homepage didn't have a H1. This was just a normal paragraph, so I literally off camera just fixed this quickly, and I'm gonna tell it I fixed this already. So if you were unsure if we use this, yeah, we use this as well, and if we didn't use it, we wouldn't give you the information. So I'm just gonna do the following. I have added the H1 in the home page. Can we do a step-by-step implementation of this? That you create a to-do for every task. Don't make it too complicated, of course. So I want you to start by implementing the H1s in the blog articles. Can you do that? So it's going to start by this. I'm going to copy the here because I'm going to walk through all these steps. I wanted the SEO to be on point, of course. So yeah, I'm just going to type here. Just a moment. Open up. Doing right now, and after I'm just going to let it. I'm going to let it sit and wait for the until this is finished, and after that, oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, look at this, look at this. It's going to get right at it, and after that I'm just going to do the second one, I'm going to do third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. So I think this is a beautiful demonstration because it's also busy in here. So it's implementing the whole list. I'm going to stop this because I think with this real tutorial that you saw on the Unis, you know what the power it has and the power it contains. And thank you for watching. I'm gonna get right into this. I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna work on this, and I'm going to I hope that you have seen the power of this extension and how easy you can use it for your projects. Thank you and bye.